to have a set of smart contracts and to be able to interact from those smart contracts. So you've heard a lot of NFT, those kind of stuff. Now I'm going to show you how you can basically create your own and interact with it. So this is basically the dashboard of our product. That's basically where you will be able to launch a node and to basically interact with the smart contract that you have, that you wrote, and launch any token, NFT, supply chain use cases for different industry to basically create your MVP. We did all the work. You just have to now create your use case. So the very first step is basically to create your blockchain network. For now, we are integrated with 3 main blockchains, so Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum Mainnet, and also a public one, which is Ethereum Enterprise. If you want to launch your blockchain node, it's pretty easy. So you go on Add a Node. Let's start with